You seem to follow a daily routine for English learning.
I follow it because I want to improve step by step.
You start your day with English listening practice.
I start with listening because it builds my understanding.
You choose simple audio clips for practice.
I choose them because they help me understand natural speech.
You try to listen to short conversations every morning.
I listen to them because they train my ears.
You repeat the same audio many times.
I repeat it because it helps me catch new details.
You practice speaking right after listening.
I practice speaking because it builds confidence.
You read the sentences out loud.
I read them out loud because it improves fluency.
You copy the speaker's tone and rhythm.
I copy them because I want natural sound.
You talk to yourself in English for practice.
I talk to myself because it improves thinking in English.
You speak slowly to keep your sentences clear.
I speak slowly because clarity matters more than speed.
You read something in English each day.
I read daily because it grows my vocabulary.
You choose easy stories for reading.
I choose them because they keep me motivated.
You read short paragraphs and focus on meaning.
I focus on meaning because it helps me understand context.
You underline useful phrases during reading.
I underline them because they help me speak naturally.
You take notes while reading.
I take notes because they help me remember new ideas.
You learn a few new words during reading time.
I learn them because the vocabulary is important.
You use new words in your own sentences.
I use them because practice makes them stick.
You revise old words during your free time.
I revise them because revision keeps them fresh.
You watch small English videos every day.
I watch them because they build understanding and confidence.
You choose videos with simple language.
I choose them because they fit my level.
You focus on expressions used in videos.
I focus on them because they help me speak naturally.
You copy useful lines from the video.
I copy them because they improve fluency.
You practice speaking the lines from the video.
I practice them because repetition strengthens memory.
You write a short paragraph each day.
I write daily because writing builds sentence structure.
You keep your sentences short and clear.
I keep them clear because clarity helps learning.
You write about your daily routine.
I write about it because it is an easy topic.
You try to write new words in your paragraph.
I include them because it helps me remember them.
You read your writing after finishing.
I read it because it helps me check mistakes.
You correct your own sentences slowly.
I correct them because correction builds accuracy.
You learn from your own mistakes.
I learn from them because they show my weak points.
You follow 4 main daily tasks.
I follow them because they create a strong habit.
You start with listening.
I start with it because it builds a strong foundation.
You continue with speaking practice.
I continue with speaking because it builds fluency.
You add reading to your routine.
I add reading because it strengthens understanding.
You finish with writing practice.
I finish with writing because it organizes my thoughts.
You follow this plan every single day.
I follow it because daily effort gives strong results.
You believe all 4 skills help each other.
I believe it because they connect naturally.
You use simple tools for practice.
I use them because simplicity keeps me focused.
You practice at the same time every day.
I do it because routine keeps me disciplined.
You set small goals for each skill.
I set them because small goals are easier to achieve.
You enjoy the listening part most.
I enjoy it because it feels natural.
You like speaking practice too.
I like it because it grows my confidence.
You find reading helpful.
I find it helpful because it teaches new words.
You feel writing improves your grammar.
I feel it improves grammar because it makes me think carefully.
You spend only a short time on each skill.
I spend little time because small steps make it easy.
You stay consistent with your routine.
I stay consistent because consistency brings progress.
You keep checking your pronunciation.
I check it because correct sound is important.
You practice speaking in front of a mirror.
I practice it because it builds confidence.
You listen to English songs sometimes.
I listen to them because they make learning fun.
You focus on lyrics to understand meaning.
I focus on them because they teach real expressions.
You read simple articles on your phone.
I read them because they are easy to access.
You write short messages in English for practice.
I write them because they improve everyday communication.
You listen while traveling.
I listen because it uses free time for learning.
You speak to yourself during breaks.
I speak because small moments help fluency.
You read a few pages before sleeping.
I read because it ends my day with learning.
You write a small summary of your day.
I write it because it builds writing habits.
You repeat the same cycle tomorrow.
I repeat it because practice never stops.
You trust the process.
I trust it because it shows good results slowly.
You think daily actions create strong skills.
I think so because steady effort builds fluency.
You learn English with simple steps.
I learn with them because small steps reduce stress.
You practice listening to natural English.
I practice it because it improves my ear.
You practice speaking to stay confident.
I practice it because confidence grows with use.
You practice reading to learn more words.
I practice it because words are important in conversations.
You practice writing to understand structure.
I practice it because structure makes sentences strong.
You continue all these four things every day.
I continue them because they create balance.
You stay patient with your learning.
I stay patient because language takes time.
You follow a simple guideline daily.
I follow it because it keeps me on track.
You enjoy steady improvement.
I enjoy it because progress feels encouraging.
You accept mistakes as part of learning.
I accept them because mistakes teach me.
You rely on daily repetition.
I rely on it because repetition builds memory.
You train your mind to think in English.
I train it because thinking helps speaking.
You end your day by reviewing what you learned.
I end it by reviewing because revision builds strength.
You practice these four skills again the next morning.
I practice them again because daily practice leads to fluency.
You believe this four-step routine will help you master English.
I believe it because simple habits create strong results.